Okay, so part two of my Masscool cooling fan install video. As you can see, I've used isopropyl alcohol to clean off the face of my processor. I'm like trying to show you the model number and everything, but of course you can't really see it because the phone I used sucked. Um, yep, so there it is, nice and shiny. I didn't get I think it's 80/20 or 85/15, like the higher concentrate alcohol from Walmart. I just used 70/30. Um, they say don't use 70/30 because it leaves a residue behind, but I mean, this thing cooled at like 35 degrees Celsius versus 52 with my thermal take water cooling solution, which really fucking sucked. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the processor in the socket. What you want to do is you want to look for the little golden triangle, and you want to line it up with the triangle on the processor socket. In this case, on this motherboard, it is on the heatsink retention bracket. I'm looking for it now, and I can't find it. It's because I'm an idiot. It's been a while since I've had the processor out of this computer. But if you can like look at the top right corner of the processor socket, like closest to the MOSFET on the left there, that's where it needs to be lined up. Right there. I'm showing you right now. At this point, I like put the phone down in between like the power connector to the motherboard and the top RAM slot. And Chrissy's back. I'm like trying to get this thing in there with one hand. I managed to get it in there. Now I'm like doing like the final adjustments and shit. But basically, you want to like get it lined up and in the socket to where it doesn't like freely move back and forth. Now you want to lock down the locking handles. You want to lock down the top one first, the one with the notched or the notched end, and then, as you can see, what I'm doing here. And then, of course, latch the other one down second. This holds the processor in place because it doesn't have pins that lock into the motherboard. And there we have it. We're ready to put the heatsink and fan on top. Well, before we apply some thermal solution. Or thermal compound. Anyways, this is going to be the end of part 2. Next I will come back with some Arctic Silver applied. I'm looking for it now. But hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for part 2, where I show you how to put it on there. Thanks for watching.